into this lecture in which we're going to go ahead and start the process. So in this lecture, I'm going to introduce you to CapCut, which is the software that we're going to be utilizing to create our videos, because it actually converts the videos faster, and also it allows some transitions. Now there is a free and paid version of it, but we're only going to be using the free version of it. Now if you go to Google, if you search for CapCut, you shall find CapCut, and here you can see free online video editor. And if you click right here, you should be able to go to the website. Now, there is two ways about this. You can either use CapCut and open up CapCut on your browser, or like myself, you can install CapCut on your computer. Now, what CapCut looks like if you use it on your own browser is like this. And it looks in a similar way like Canva, so it reminds me of the Canva interface. And I don't like this particular interface here. Not that it's bad, but I don't like to edit on here. And I would recommend you to go back into the steps and then basically just look for a CapCut download. Look for CapCut download. You should find a link in which you can go ahead and download CapCut. And basically, it's not an app. It's CapCut, download CapCut in Windows. So look for CapCut for Windows or Mac and then download the version of CapCut. Once you download it, you should be able to open it like any other application on your computer, like you're opening Discord or any application on your computer. So when you open CapCut, this is what the interface looks like, and it's reminiscent of Adobe Premiere. Now, let me just remove this part. Now here they're asking me if I want to add auto captions. I don't trust their auto captions because they use AI. Now there are other tools that are better at generating auto captions than CapCut, but also if you want to add your own captions with CapCut, you can do so. The time, we will only show you what you need in order for you to create a channel using CapCut. So we'll not really go very, very far. But we'll show you what's necessary for you to go ahead and create a channel. So this is the CapCut interface. In the next lecture, we're going to have ChatGPT write out a script for us for a YouTube short video. And then what we're going to do, we're going to import that video here. But first thing is first, as you can see here, there is nothing that we can do because we have no media. We have imported no media. That is why we're going to have to go ahead and start importing a media for our YouTube short video that we want to create. So I advise you to install CapCut, and then we'll go to ChatGPT. And I have a scene in my mind, a scene in which Bilbo was actually in the dragons in the hall of Thor, in which there was Smaug actually was talking to him, and Bilbo was wearing the ring. And there was an instance which I think could go viral, in which Bilbo actually, while wearing the ring, still Smaug could see exactly where he is, and he played dumb with him. He couldn't see it precisely. I'm sorry. He could sense where he was, but he couldn't see him. But basically, at some moment, Smaug was actually saying he cornered Bilbo, and he told him that he's wearing, or he suspects that he's wearing or carrying something made of gold, and far more precious, as Smaug says in the film. And he kept repeating precious, precious, precious as some sort of an incantation. So dragons are also wizards, for people that don't know, but dragons, they can throw incantations. They can throw spells. People don't know this, but dragons are basically wizards as well. So that incantation, we wanna unveil the secret behind why Smaug's incantation of precious made Bilbo remove the ring in the first place, and why is it exactly after Bilbo removed the ring, he saw a flash of the Eye of Sauron. In that scene, there was a flash of the Eye of Sauron, and we want to unveil that in less than 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that in the next lecture.